Sweet basil is a popular herb in cooking, known for its lush green leaves and strong, sweet aroma. To successfully grow sweet basil, it is important to follow these steps. 1. Choose the right location. Sweet basil thrives in full sun, so select a spot in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. 2. Prepare the soil. Sweet basil prefers well-draining soil with a pH of 6 to 7. Amend your soil with compost or organic matter to improve drainage and fertility. 3. Start seeds indoors. Sweet basil can be grown from seeds or transplants. If starting from seeds, sow them indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date in your area. 4. Transplant seedlings. Once the danger of frost has passed, transplant seedlings into the garden, spacing them 12 to 18 inches apart. 5. Water regularly. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water your sweet basil plants deeply once a week, or more often during hot, dry weather. 6. Fertilize. Feed your sweet basil plants with a balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks to promote healthy growth. 7. Harvest regularly. Harvest the leaves regularly to encourage new growth. Pinch off the top leaves to promote bushier growth. By following these guidelines, you can successfully grow sweet basil and enjoy its fresh, flavorful leaves in your culinary creations. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing and sharing with others. Your support means everything to us.